Discover 10 possible causes of lack of sexual desire in women. From neurological diseases to inadequate nutrition. Understand how each factor can cause a reduction in female libido. Libido is synonymous with sexual desire. In women, the hormone responsible for this urge is testosterone, produced in the ovaries and adrenal glands, aided by estrogen, manufactured in the ovaries and fatty tissue. It is they who cause the natural physical arousal of human beings. It is quite common for women to be the most affected by the lack of sexual desire, since, in most cases, there is the interference of contraceptives in menopause as factors that interfere with the production of hormones. After all, how to solve this lack of courage in sexual relations? Next, I will explain the main causes of female lack of sexual appetite and how to control them. 10 causes of lack of female libido. 1. Birth control pills. In addition to numerous damages to women's bodies, these drugs also alter the dynamics of ovulation and, consequently, the hormones that produce libido. 2. Heart problems. People with heart problems have altered cholesterol levels. And one of the functions of cholesterol is to participate in the production of some hormones, including sex hormones. Most drugs used to treat heart disease also cause sexual dysfunction. 3. Neurological diseases. These diseases are chronic, progressive and generate a reduction in dopamine levels in the brain, which compromises female libido. Deficiency in the functioning of the nerves can make it difficult for the brain to communicate with the sexual organ. 4. Diabetes. The disease impairs the production of lubrication and the absence of orgasm, as blood glucose levels are altered and may also alter the vaginal pH. 5. Obesity. Obese women produce less estrogen and blood flow also ends up being less, including in the genital regions, thus inhibiting arousal. In addition, excess fat cells cause hormonal imbalance. 6. Menopause. At this stage, which means the end of a woman's fertile period, the ovaries produce less sex-related hormones than in other stages of life. 7. Irregular sleep. When we sleep, we also release hormones that cause sexual desire, so when this function is irregular, one of the signs is impaired libido. In addition, lack of sleep increases the production of cortisol, the stress hormone. 8. Use of alcohol and drugs. The feeling of sexual arousal after consuming alcohol and narcotics is temporary. In fact, when consumed in high dosages, the level of arousal and amount of orgasms in women is drastically reduced. 9. Inadequate food. Foods that have high glycemic rates impair libido when consumed in excess, such as caffeine, processed foods, cheese, fried foods and bread. Low water intake also influences drastically. If you've come this far, subscribe, like, activate the bell to help the channel and not lose content. 10. Psychological factors. Trauma, body acceptance, low self-esteem, shyness, marital conflict, stress, depression, anxiety, and other problems of this nature affect mental health and sexual performance. This is one of the most determining factors, after all, for women. Sex is very much linked to feelings. Bye until the next video.